How to convert HEIC to JPG in Pixillion. Add your HEIC files to Pixillion, then select the files you want to convert. Choose JPG from the Convert to File dropdown, then click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert HEIC to JPG in Pixillion. Start by adding your HEIC files to Pixillion. You can drag and drop them into the program window or click Add Files to browse and select them manually. Select the HEIC files you want to convert by clicking them individually, using Ctrl to select multiple files, or choosing Select All to highlight everything in the list. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose JPG as the output format. Click Set Output Folder to choose where the converted JPG files will be saved. Use compression settings to adjust the image quality and file size of the JPG output. Click Convert to begin the conversion process. After conversion is complete, click Open Output Folder to access your new JPG files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.